Well, I decided to make a second video of this 504 boiler. There's a few things that other people may be interested in knowing. Number one, I always wanted to know what the volume of water these particular boilers would hold. Now, doing a hydraulic boiler test last night, I filled the whole entire boiler up, pressure checked it to 180 psi, which is triple the amount of working pressure for these particular boilers. I honestly don't recommend doing that because the front of the boiler had bulged out a little bit, which was no major big deal. But after the test was done, I poured the water out and measured it. It was 6.5 cups. That's US. 6.5. So, knowing that most of these boilers should be about 3/4 full, I did the math, and this particular boiler, empty, dry, from a start, should be filled up with 4 7/8 cups. So, 4.5 cups from dry is suitable. Just thought I'd mention that. It's always been something that I wondered about with these boilers, how much water they would hold. The other thing is, I mentioned about the propane burner. The propane burner is an original Stuart style propane burner. Well, I honestly think that this one initially was set up for natural gas over in the UK, because I found out when I made my setup that the jet hole size was way too big. It was sooty no matter what I did. So I adapted that and found the best size for burn for the propane burner. And as you can see, the safety valve is going off here. Yes, I do have it set rather high at 75 psi. So